Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Today, I will share a delicious Korean instant noodle rice you can make in 30 minutes. It is called RaMyeonBap in Korean. This is today's main ingredient, 1 pack of Korean instant noodles, ramyeon. You can also use 신라면 for this recipe. This 진라면 has 1 block of dried noodles, 1 seasoning powder pack, and 1 dried veggies pack. Break the noodles into big chunks. It is important not to break the noodles into little pieces so that you get better texture after cooking. To enhance the flavor, I will add some well-fermented kimchi that I already chopped into bite-sized pieces, the kimchi broth from the kimchi jar, and finely chopped green onion. Wash the short grain rice, 쌀, and drain out the water. We also need the washed soybean sprout, 콩나물. In a separate bowl, pour the water, 물, and then add the rest of the ingredients for the broth. Mix everything together. Now let's cook the rice. There are different ways to cook Korean rice, and I already shared a video with 3 methods in the past, so you can use any of those methods. But today, I will use my pressure cooker. Put the rice into a pressure cooker and spread it out evenly on the bottom. Put the soybean sprout on top of the rice. Put the kimchi on top of the soybean sprout. And then put the noodles on the kimchi. All the ingredients should be spread out evenly so that they will cook better. Lastly, pour the broth over everything. Close the lid and start to cook it on high. In about 8 minutes, this top part of the lid will start to spin and make sounds like this. Then let it cook 1 more minute and then reduce the temperature to low and finish cooking for 1 more minute. Now turn off the heat and I will let it set like this for about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes later, if the pressure cooker still has air in it, release all the air out and then carefully open the lid. I pushed the cooked noodles to one side to mix the rest of the ingredients together. It smells and tastes so good. Put some of the rice mixture in a bowl and put some chunks of the cooked noodles on top. You can garnish it with some finely chopped green onions. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!